Ecological restoration is the process of repairing, restoring, or rehabilitating degraded or damaged ecosystems to their natural or original state. It involves restoring ecological structure, function, and biodiversity through targeted interventions and management practices. Ecological restoration is essential for ecosystem health and resilience for several reasons. Biodiversity conservation. Ecological restoration helps conserve and enhance biodiversity by restoring habitat connectivity, reintroducing native species, and creating conditions conducive to the survival of indigenous flora and fauna. Restored ecosystems provide critical habitat for endangered species and promote genetic diversity within populations. Ecosystem services. Restored ecosystems provide a wide range of ecosystem services essential for human well-being, including clean air and water, pollination, soil fertility, flood control, carbon sequestration, and climate regulation. Healthy ecosystems support agriculture, fisheries, tourism, and other economic activities while enhancing quality of life and environmental sustainability. Climate change mitigation. Ecological restoration contributes to climate change mitigation by sequestering carbon dioxide from the atmosphere through photosynthesis and biomass accumulation. Restored forests, wetlands, and grasslands act as carbon sinks, helping to offset greenhouse gas emissions and reduce the impacts of climate change. Soil and water conservation. Restoring vegetation cover and natural hydrological processes helps prevent soil erosion, sedimentation, and nutrient runoff, improving soil fertility and water quality. Restored riparian zones, wetlands, and watershed areas play a crucial role in regulating water flow, reducing flooding, and replenishing groundwater reserves. Resilience to disturbances. Ecologically restored ecosystems are more resilient to natural and human-induced disturbances such as wildfires, storms, droughts, and invasive species. Restored habitats with diverse species assemblages and functional redundancy are better able to adapt to environmental changes and recover from disturbances. Habitat connectivity and corridor restoration. Ecological restoration efforts often focus on reconnecting fragmented landscapes and creating habitat corridors to facilitate the movement of wildlife and promote genetic exchange between populations. Habitat connectivity enhances species dispersal, migration, and colonization, reducing the risk of local extinctions and promoting ecosystem resilience. Cultural and social values. Ecological restoration has cultural and social significance for indigenous communities, local stakeholders, and future generations. Restored ecosystems preserve cultural heritage, traditional knowledge, and spiritual connections to the land while providing recreational opportunities, aesthetic enjoyment, and educational experiences for people of all ages. Urban green spaces and biodiversity. Ecological restoration in urban areas helps create green spaces, parks, and urban forests that enhance biodiversity, improve air quality, and mitigate the urban heat island effect. Restored urban ecosystems provide ecosystem services, recreational opportunities, and aesthetic benefits for urban residents while promoting environmental stewardship and community engagement. Overall, ecological restoration plays a vital role in promoting ecosystem health, resilience, and sustainability by conserving biodiversity, restoring ecosystem services, mitigating climate change, and enhancing human well-being. By investing in ecological restoration initiatives and prioritizing ecosystem conservation and restoration efforts, we can protect and restore the natural capital essential for life on Earth.